This is just so good to be out in nature, climbing up, no fun, relaxing and strenuous at the same time. This is the most challenging and hardest thing physically I've ever done in my life, my god. Here we go, day one. So probably about 10-15 minutes into the hike and just coming up, and look at these beautiful views. Oh dear God, my goodness. And we're heading up there. So it's about taking the first day to get up, and then we'll camp overnight near the ridge. Next morning wake up 2 AM, head straight up to the peak, watch sunrise, head back down, next campsite in the hot springs, sleep, and then next day head back down the mountain as well. So altogether it's 2 nights, 3 days, but wow. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to get up there. It's going to be cold too. About 3 degrees, 0 degrees, 3 degrees. See you soon.
Saya di belakang. Kadang-kadang banyak klien saya marah lihat saya cepat.
So, made it to position 2, and they're cooking us some lunch now, having fried rice, nasi goreng. That's underneath this little hut, and they're just prepping it all now. Yeah. So the walk's changed a bit. Going past the green hills, and now we're going through a bit of like pine forest, going straight up. So you can see it's more rocks. Or actually walking uphill rather than being flat ground rocks. But we're right in the clouds.
Hi.
There's Anan, our beautiful guide. But yeah, having an absolute ball. Slightly challenging, heaps of fun. This is just so good to be out in nature, climbing up, no fun, relaxing and strenuous at the same time. Alright, g'day. So, finally made it to the bloody top. Well, campsite number 1. And check out the view. view. We still have to make it to the top. Tomorrow morning, 2 a.m. leave, and we'll be hiking back up that way, and we're gonna go straight up there. 3,793 or 92 or something like that. Jeez, it's incredible up here. I can't believe it. Made it this far. Not even at the top yet, but check out this bloody beautiful view right here. This is the most challenging and hardest thing physically I've ever done in my life, my god. This is just incredible. Huh? Oh yeah? So we just made it down to the lake, to our second campsite last night, and waking up to these beautiful views. This is just incredible. You know, I really can't believe that this is Indonesia. Just wow. Masih I'll get it. How are you? How you feeling?
I'm fucking wow. It's bloody incredible.
Try this one. Mate, we just made it to Turin village, nearly back. They teased us with all these bloody motorbikes, and we didn't bring any money to take us down. 15 minutes by bike, Hour and a half walking. How you feeling about that, huh?
I feel
You happy to walk?
no comment. We made it!
Here we are. Selesai ya? Selesai. Wow. How do you feel?
I feel I could climb again.
Oh fuck that, you can go on your own. Holy shit, done. I'm out of here. Masih kuat. Masih kuat. Terima kasih banyak ya. Oh, we're here. Honestly, can't believe we're here, man. Freaking finished. Oh. There he is. That's what we did. It's done. I'm so paid.
There are like 3 things, eh? What are the other things?
We'll do the other peaks another time. Hey?
Not yours from now on.
Tomorrow. Jeez, man, I can't believe we actually did this. So we started here. This was an easy walk, yeah? This was an easy walk, yeah? Here into position 1, and we had... That was easy. We had lunch at position 2, yeah? Yeah, we did. This didn't feel that long, but it felt hard. It's 3.5 hours. But we said plus an hour, so 4.5 hours, nearly 5 hours of walking. I reckon we did it in about 5, yeah? How did you feel with this though? That's when we went past the rainforest. Oh, we started going to more of the pine trees.
I didn't like it.
Mm.
I didn't like it because it was already sliding.
Yeah, and then we put our sticks out as well. That's when we started using the sticks. Sleeping, beautiful views. Oh, sunset, amazing. And that is not 3 hours up. This looks like it goes on forever. That is the hardest walk in my entire life, holy shit. And then that is a pain in the ass too, going after finishing that straight to there. Yeah, we went 3 hours up, 3 hours down, 6 hours.
Yeah, but to the camp.
Yeah, that's how we go to the camp. Yeah, we camped here in the first one. Yeah. So. And then coming down, this is just beautiful between this valley. I really love that. And then when you get to the rainforest, you're just dead. I want to get out of here, but it never ends. And then down to the village. Damn. You glad you did it?
Very glad.
Will you, would you do it again?
Yes.
Tomorrow?
No.
When?
Maybe 2031.